Uhulumeni waseGauteng ubambe inkonzo yomngcwabo wabanye abafundi abathathu abashone engozini yetekisi elithutha abafundi eyenzeke eVanderbijlpark ngomsombuluko. uThato Moetji, Ofentse Fenger kanye noBukamotso Mokhobo benzelwe inkonzo yomngcwabo eyodwa eSebokeng. Bayi-14 sebebonke abafundi abaphangalele kule ngozi yesithuthi sabafundi neloli. Abanye bangcwatshwe izolo.
Inkonzo yomngcwabo ebigcwele umunyu nemibuzo engenazo izimpendulo.
Bona batswadi ba dutse matrasing, bana ka makasing, ha ba fihla le ka tlelaseng. Shaofa.
Imindeni yabafundi abathathu ibivalelisa okugcina izingane zayo ezishone ngokukhulu ukuzuma.
Before her untimely passing, Bukamisa had just embarked on a new journey of her life. Having began her grade 8 year at Worst School, Vanderbijlpark, tragically, Bukamisa passed away in Vanderbijl on her way to school.
Umkhandlu wabamatekisi iSantaco uzibophezele ngokwenza kangcono kwezokuthutha.
The tragedy has shaken us to our core as a transport industry in the province. It has forced us to confront hard truth about scholar transport and the public transport in the province and in the country as a whole. While nothing can undo what has happened, I want to commit before you and before God that the moment will not pass without a change. That is an industry that we need to enforce, that we force a change.
Lenkonzo yomngcwabo ibihanjelwe nguNdunankulu wesifundazwe uPanyaza Lesofi kanye nabanye ongqongqoshe beminyango kahulumeni esifundazweni nakuzwe lonke.
We can't have a situation, Deputy Minister of Transport, where a road to school must lead our children to graveyards. We can't have a situation where instead of today giving our children graduation certificates, we're giving them death certificate. This must come to an end.
Your grief is the nation's grief. Your love is the nation's lesson. Your children are the nation's children. May the Almighty God wrap your hearts in a tenderness that does not fade.
Abanye abafundi bazofihlwa kuleli sonto elizoqala. Bayi-11 abafundi abashone engozini eyenzeke eVanderbijlpark ngomsombuluko. Kusolwa ukuthi umshayeli wesithuthi sabafundi wayezama ukusika izimoto endaweni engafanele ngesikhathi itekisi lishayisana amahlanze neloli. Umshayeli waleli tekisi uAyanda Dludla oneminyaka engama-22 uvele enkantolo icala lakhe lahlehliselwa umhla ziyisi-5 kuNdasa ukuze kuqhubeke uphenyo.